In the previous class, we discussed some of the part of the signal flow graph. We have started signal flow graph. In that, we have defined the what is signal flow graph, why we require signal flow graph, because a block diagram requires much of time and much of space to, and it does not have some specific steps to follow in order to calculate the transfer gain of the system. So we will move to a signal flow graph method. In the signal flow graph method, we will use Mason's gain formula in order to calculate the overall gain of the system or transfer function of the system. Okay. In the previous video, we saw that some of the components of signal flow graph, such as node, forward path, path gain, self loop, what is self loop, and what is loop gain, we have all seen the definition of that. Okay, now we will see what is we in this video. We will start with the problems. Before starting the problems, we will see the what is Mason's gain formula and how to calculate that one. Okay, the Mason's gain formula is given by summation of mk into delta k divided by delta. Okay, where mk is the total path gain of the kth forward path, and delta k is the value of delta for that graph non touching the kth forward path. What is delta k is? Delta is the value of delta for which the kth forward is not touching to that loop. Okay, next is t. T is overall gain. Okay, and last is delta. What is delta is? Determinant of the signal flow graph. What is that? Delta is determinant of the signal graph, and how it is calculated is 1 minus sum of loop gains. It is a very important formula, that is delta. How to calculate delta is 1 minus sum of loop gain of all individual loops plus sum of gain product of gain sum of gain product of all possible combination of two non-touching loops. In that forward path, the two non-touching loops okay, minus sum of, it is bigger. Okay, but if you see in the problem, no, sum of gain of product of all possible combination of three non-touching loops. Okay, you have to take alternate, plus 1 minus sum of all the individual loops, then plus sum of gain product of all possible combination of two non-touching loops, minus sum of gain of product of possible combination of three non-touching loops. Okay, understood? This is a gain formula, that is T is equal to delta mk delta k divided by delta. If there are two forward paths, k is equal to 2, that is m1 delta 1 plus m2 delta 2 divided by delta. If there are three forward paths, then m1 delta 1 plus m2 delta 2 plus m3 delta 3 divided by total delta. If only one forward path is there, means m1 delta 1 divided by delta. Okay, in the problem we will see how it can be applied to this Mason's gain formula, and how we can apply mk delta k t and total delta. How to calculate we will see. Okay.